Take a look at this phantom wallet, over $6.8 million sitting inside from launching meme coins. Not by hype, not by trading, just by using a repeatable system that works. Stay with me, I'll show you exactly how I did it. Now, I used to trade meme coins for months and months on end, 24/7, trenching and just scanning all the meme coins on Memescope. Now, bro, let me tell you why trading does not work anymore. Because every single time we buy inside a meme coin, thinking we catch the next moonshot, okay, well, we got dumped on every single time, bro. This is a relatable situation because almost every single coin is eventually going to go to zero, just like this coin right here. Now, the truth is that I realized that all the money is made by launching and not fucking trading, okay? Trading is dead. You have to start fucking launching, bro. That is where the money is at, and that's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this method, because it's the truth, bro. Launching meme coins will make way more money than trading them. Why? Because first of all, you've got nothing to lose, okay? It costs literally $0 to make a meme coin, then you dump it when it's high, okay? It's simple as that. And also you make money off of every single buy and sell as a fee, okay? Just like Pump.Fun, when someone buys your coin, you make money based off of the fee. It's simple as that. And even though the market is down, Solana is at 141 and Bitcoin is down too, it still works. You guys will see with a quick example, bro. Keep watching, it's actually fucking insane. Now, by the way, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, okay? It's all fake. It's all AI generated. Cap! Now, the most famous launchpad, okay, is Pump.Fun, as you guys know. But we are not going to be launching our coins on Pump.Fun. Why? Because nowadays, bro, it's completely oversaturated, which means there's too many coins flooding in the site every single second, and your coins will not get enough eyes on any of them. That's why I despise launching here, because, bro, you will just make a couple dollars, okay? Not even, you might even just break even or not even make anything. You're just gonna waste your time, okay? Your coin has to reach the $85,000 market cap, and you don't even control your own liquidity, okay? That's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because, bro, this launchpad changes literally everything. Your token launches straight onto Raydium, which means it will be immediately fucking migrated. It will be viewed to tens and thousands of people and becomes tradable within seconds, bro. You have fewer obstacles, more visibility, and you have full control over your liquidity, bro. You have full control over your project and every fucking thing, bro. That's why you have to be launching on this platform, bro. And if you want to launch meme coins on the BNB chain, you can also go on launch bnb.fun, bro. It's the same exact concept, you guys will see. Now, here's how it works, okay, step by step on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to go about it, and it's up to you to choose one of the two different methods. The first method is to create a coin from scratch, brand new. So go on X, go on Twitter, go on Instagram, go on YouTube, and look for something trending to make a meme coin out of, okay? And then look for something trending, okay? Let me see if I could find a quick example real quick. Oh, that's a nice tweet. Let me see. What the fuck? Orangey is resting someone. That could be really decent for a narrative. I mean, I don't know, bro. This is funny right here. Now, usually Elon Musk tweets do really well, okay? Let me see if he tweeted something like this, for example, this, like anything, bro, right? And once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a quick name, invent a symbol, take a screenshot for the meme coin logo, and just like that, bro, your coin is custom created. But the second method, okay, is my favorite method, and it's the most profitable by far in 2025. It's my go-to move, and that's by copying coins that already works and just rinse and repeating these coins. Now, these coins are already getting attention and traffic on Pump.Fun. When you copy them to Raydium, you get instant buyers and quicker profits from the start because the hype already exists. I like copying coins because, bro, I don't need to fucking look for a narrative. I just copy coins that already works and I make money. Copying coins is a cheat code. I would do an example. Anyways, let's run it. I'm going to launch a coin live on camera so you can see how quickly it goes from 0 to hero. Okay, so first of all, make sure your phantom white is connected just by doing this right here. Boom, or MetaMask, it's all up to you. Then click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm going to go with the 6-7 dog, okay? It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $28,400 market cap. And by the way, bro, if you want to launch meme coins on the BNB chain, okay, you can just go to launch bnb.fun and it's the same exact thing, right here. Just copy your coin right here. Anyways, I'm going to click create coin. Then ignore the block from Phantom, click on proceed anyways, confirm I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds, bro. Let's see what happens. Come on. Boom. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this step is pretty straightforward. We add liquidity and boom, your token becomes instantly tradable on Raydium, okay, on the Solana blockchain, so people can buy it. Okay, now for the token A, just tap the button in the middle right here, which is 90%, which will drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own chart. You are not losing a single cent. It's just locking in the pair so your market can open. 0.3 SO is the minimum and you get it all back whenever you pull out the liquidity. Okay, so you have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose. That's why we dev. I'ma put 0.35 SO, okay, just a bit more to be safe. Then click on create pool. Ideally, you need to have 0.5 SO, okay, but you're not losing it. You're gonna get it back later. Then click on confirm. And after that, when that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the winning coin is on live. Our profits are at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button right here to see your profits in real time, now we're up $145, which is not too shabby, okay? It means that the coin actually works, okay? That's why we copy coins, because we guarantee ourselves buyers, okay? Now, click on view on Photon. You can go and ask them if you want, it's all up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. And let's see what happens, bro. Let's go. We're getting buys. $1.23,000 market cap. My bad. Okay, we're getting buy. Oh shit, we are getting sellers, bro. This is kind of bad, but it's not a big deal. I still believe it's gonna go up. Okay. You have to remember that we risked $0 to make this coin, and we're getting. Oh my god, bro! We're getting so many buyers, bro! What the fuck? Let's fucking dump this coin right now, bro! Fuck it! I'm gonna dump it on everybody's head! Come on! Pump! Oh my god, bro! 2.2k market cap. Things are looking absolutely insane, bro. I told you guys to not worry about it because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and this is why we love deving coins, bro. Oh my god. By the way, bro, if you guys have any questions about all of this, you can just DM me at j.crypto or jpflips on X, bro. Follow me, DM me, bro. Ask me any questions, I will respond, okay? Because this method actually fucking works. Come on, bro. Oh my god, this is getting dumped, but I still believe it's gonna go up, bro. You guys will see. I'm gonna give this coin a bit of time and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing $4,000 in market cap. The liquidity is really good, 1.7k, and now let's make some money. So come back to create tokens.io, which is the best launchpad. Then click on the refresh button right here to check your profits in real time. And now, as you guys can see, we are up $1.64,000 in USD with a $4,000 market cap in a span of a couple minutes, bro. This is why I love rinse and repeating this method. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Let's see what happens. And now, as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 12 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational fucking wealth. If I open the Phantom wallet, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, boom, the money just went in. Okay, it's actually fucking insane. Even though the markets are kinda down, it still works, okay? Bro, I just did the whole fucking method step by step in front of you guys. There's no reason for you guys to not try this out. Okay, DM me on Twitter if you have any questions. And yeah, bro, peace out.